bend him over on this table. You know how they say women are better at like
Everything.
well, yes, and they are probably correct about that.
They are.
Except knowing men.
You know what? You know
We
what?
know men. We understand them. We just don't want to understand.
Okay, Suresh, maybe you understand, but like I've been perpetually single. Like genuinely. I don't understand men.
No, but why do you say that? Why do you say that women don't understand?
No, I'm sure they do. My point is because women, I should paraphrase, women will fall in love with a man for his potential.
Yes.
That's a
Men
known fact, yes.
do not do that.
Yes.
Right? And I think it would be much more valuable if women turned their attention to business and invested in things for that thing's potential.
Yeah.
Because then that thing will like
Yeah.
if you switch
Yes.
if you switch that switch to be
Energy,
like
got it. Yeah.
मैं CEO अगर इंसान है तो मैं उसके potential में invest कर लूँ, you'll make you that's a lot more profitable than believing in the potential of men. I do not believe in the potential of men.
Okay.
Do you think they are?
I believe in the results of men.
I think it should be
Okay.
flipped, you know. I think women initially don't show
Yeah,
their
much
emotions in the
emotions,
start.
yeah.
And I feel if men fell in love with the potential of women, it would be better. And if women fell in love with the face, like what they see at face value for men, it would work. Does that make sense?
No.
It might work for your personal relationship. Society itself might break down, but that's
More than already?
yeah.
Because how much ever you try, no, we just always have this motherly instinct in us which makes us feel like
Fair.
नहीं इसका ख्याल रखना है. we
Don't
have
you
to-
think वो पिछड़ी हुई mentality है?
I know, but it just happens.
It's
It
innate.
comes. It comes to us.
Even
Many
I
people-
have like nurturing motherly qualities. I mean, trust me, ask
Yeah.
anyone I've been with, I will turn into a mother. It's horrible.
It's tough to unlearn instinct.
Oh yeah.
It takes evolution, which takes death and birth.
I genuinely don't understand men because I'll tell you something that happened this week. Okay, I was telling my male friend. I have all female friends. I just have one male friend, and I was telling him about this date that I had. This one date where this guy is a fuck boy. Okay, I don't want to be with him. I was like, oh, I wish I was just friends with him, which is a huge like no in my book. Like you don't make friends off of dating apps. I've always said that, but I was kind of like going back on my word, and I was talking to this male friend of mine saying, you know, maybe I want to go back on my word, and he's like, you know what, Zia, I'm gonna tell you something, and you're not gonna like it. I said, okay, what is it? He's like, you want to fuck him. I said, that guy. What do you mean? He's like, no, you don't want to, you know, just be friends with him. You want to be around him, and you don't want him romantically. So you just want to, you know.
Or maybe you want to be around him so that he, at a given point of time, makes you feel like, oh, now this can turn into something.
Exactly. Potential.
Yeah, and then he chooses you.
But that's the whole point of situationships also, right?
Yeah.
Like that's why you get into situationships because you're like, okay, I don't like what's happening right now.
But
But I
it
know
might-
that it can turn into something concrete and something more real in the
Yes.
future.
Yes.
What are your thoughts?
do
Do you
you
think
look
I
at
want to
it?
fuck him?
I support whatever you decide.
That's a very PC answer. Like, you can't sit on this table and give us like politically correct answers. You have
Fine,
to
bend
be-
him over on this table. Have your way.
I didn't save his number.
Get into a pegging type situation. Full support.
Hi guys, अगर तुम लोग को ये clip अच्छी लगी है, then you can watch this entire video on VR Besharam's channel. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel as well as that channel. And we'll see you in the comments. Bye.